Welcome to Grace Heads, your go-to channel for the latest in car reviews, specs, and features. In today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Toyota Crown, the luxury sedan that's turning heads with its striking design and innovative features. Whether you're a Toyota fan or just in the market for a new sedan, this review will give you all the information you need. The 2025 Toyota Crown blends modern luxury with cutting-edge technology, making it a standout in the crowded sedan market. One of the first things you'll notice is the bold, futuristic design that combines sleek lines with a commanding presence. The exterior is sophisticated, with a dynamic front grille, angular headlights, and a profile that hints at both elegance and performance. But it's not just about looks. The 2025 Toyota Crown is built for comfort and efficiency, equipped with a hybrid powertrain that balances power and fuel economy. Under the hood, the Toyota Crown offers impressive options, including a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor for a smooth and powerful driving experience. The hybrid system ensures better fuel economy without compromising on performance, giving drivers the best of both worlds. For those looking for even more power, there's an available 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers a thrilling ride without sacrificing efficiency. Inside, the 2025 Toyota Crown is nothing short of luxurious. The cabin features high-quality materials, plush seating, and a range of premium tech options, including a large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 12-speaker premium audio system. Toyota has also included a host of safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a suite of other driver assistance technologies that make driving the Crown a breeze. One of the standout features of the 2025 Toyota Crown is its focus on driver experience. With its smooth ride, advanced handling capabilities, and intuitive tech, the Crown is engineered to provide an exceptional driving experience, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. The cabin is quiet, comfortable, and spacious, making it an ideal choice for long drives or daily commutes. If you're looking for a blend of style, performance, and innovation, the 2025 Toyota Crown is worth considering. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more reviews, specs, and features on the latest cars. Stay tuned to Grace Heads for more exciting automotive content.